This is Doc Games here, and welcome back to Ylands Remastered Survival. I'm on the new island right now. Got the boat there, and my TP camp set up here. Just recently set this one up. Just a casual few things. Not much to see inside the TP. Currently, what I want to work on is that right over here. I'm not sure it's like a glitch or something, but like I just want to, get like a legitimate place. I don't want it to be doo-doo. I think it was like a small shed, maybe? Wait, no. It was a log house. It was a log house. No. Can I cancel my blueprints? Okay, I think this is sort of a glitch, but whatever. I also just put the new blueprint right over it. Or we'll put it... Where should we put this new house that we hopefully intend to build? I don't know where to put it. I don't want to put it right by the camp, because I'm going to take the camp down eventually. So like right here should work. Just boopity boop. What do you need, buddy? Okay, 335. Okay, let me give it everything that I have now. Okay, well, it seems a bit rainy. My guy's also a bit hungry, so I think maybe I should turn in for the night real fast, because conditions aren't great. So maybe I should wait till further notice till it gets better. Inside my nice warm and toasty TP. High burning campfire. Can I feed it with this? No. Okay, well, time to go to bed. Wake up in the morning. Sleep all day. Come on, Wilbur, buddy. You gotta wake up eventually. Alright, let's see what we got. Is it raining? Not anymore. Nice. Saw. Ooh, this saw is about to probably take the bucket. But I still need like 4, of those 50 stacks of wood. So I still am missing like a crap ton of wood. I also probably don't need one cloth. It's probably not very useful. But there's a huge forest right here. Ooh, what's that? Wait, what is that? That looks like a shack. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah, let's go check that out. How about it? Ooh, melons. Yum. Let me just craft those. 1 sec. Melon pieces. There we go. Okay, let's go. Now, what haveth we here? Ooh, classy. What do we got? 1 pieces. Ooh, that's useful. I don't really know if that's gonna be any useful at all, but you never know. Oh, it's handy. Now I have a good high-level hammer, which is nice. So I can probably drop my old one. Oop, goodbye. Probably also don't need 2 pieces of bark. I'm having a tough time keeping the inventory all organized, and with space, because space is a premium in my inventory now. Okay, so I'm looking only for taller rainforest trees. Those give you so much wood, it's ridiculous. Like the amount of lumber that you can get from these stuff is crazy. Alright, so small problem. It's raining really bad. I can't see my house. And if I can't see my house and I'm out here stuck, that's really bad. So I don't know what to do. I can't sleep in this weather until it gets better. And I don't want to go out adventuring because that's a death wish. So maybe I'll do. I can make maybe a makeshift shelter or something. I already dropped all the logs off. If I didn't, I don't really care anymore because I just wanted to Let's just make a little makeshift canopy here. Some thunder. Very good. Big enough, probably. It's not raining on me there, boys. Where we're going. So let's just dig this thing out a little. And then maybe I can resume farming after the rainstorm passes. So it's not a very big pocket of life per se, but it is a pocket of life, so you know, that's what I'm going for. Yeah. Okay, it needs to be some real blood life. Go deeper. Ooh, I mean, okay, yeah. Yeah, I advise that I get down here right now. I gotta get to my hole fast. There's a hole, Wilbur. Get into the hole. Get into the hole, buddy. There you go. Congrats, you're in the hole. Okay, so I need to make a sleeping pad. Not enough room space. Dude, what the what, man? Okay, let me just unpack it. Okay, let's do that, and let's also make ourselves a little fire. Sleeping, exactly. Get in the hidey hole, Wilbur. In the hole, Wilbur. Into the hole. Into the hole with you. What the what? There we go. Oh. Okay, we got this. Yes, finally. But right now I have this great little hole, and so cozy. Just light this thing up. There we go. Nice. Stone chunk. Okay, so well, I guess I kind of just did my best and tried to make a little impromptu shelter. Hopefully it stops raining by morning. That would be nice, so I can like head home and stuff. There we go. Nice. Sweet. Let's get out of the hidey hole. And let's find our way home. Oh, we gotta get the stone chunks. There you go. Because I'm using it for farming. Now let's see if we can find our handy dandy diddly daddly way home. Ooh, but first we gotta get some stone.